Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Have you ever heard of ube? It's a purple yam. It comes from the Philippines. I'm making purple ube brownies. And I found this at the market. It's called ube flavor. It's like an extract. I got this at a Filipino market. Most of them will have this, or you can order it online. But these are the coolest brownies. They're purple. So we're gonna make ube brownies. Let's get started. I have a bowl and I'm gonna sift in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this together and set it to the side. I have another bowl. This is 1 cup of light brown sugar. I'm going to break it up. I'm going to add 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. Now I'm going to mix this together. Now I'm going to add 1 beaten egg, and I'm going to whisk this in. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my ube flavor. And we're going to mix this in. Now I was using a whisk. I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to start using a spatula. And I'm going to start adding some of my flour, a little bit at a time. And I'm going to start folding this in. I'm going to add the rest of it. Okay, so everything is combined. Right here, I have a 9x9 baking dish. I sprayed it with a nonstick spray, and this is parchment paper. It's just going to make it easier to remove. I'm going to add my ube mixture into my dish. Okay, so I spread it evenly on the bottom of my pan. I have a 350-degree oven waiting. This is going to take approximately 25 to 35 minutes to bake. 25 minutes, toothpick comes out clean. I'm going to let it cool off for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to start cutting into them. So these are my ube brownies, purple brownies made of ube. Okay, you guys, here's my purple ube brownie. Okay. It's tasty. Tastes like a brownie. Maybe a little bit sweeter, just a little bit sweeter. Kind of different because it's not chocolate. Very good. Very, very good. Just a little different. Super good. Okay, so these are my ube brownies, purple brownies. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.